Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
See, the Honorable High Court had passed order years back saying that there are certain portions of Hotel Marriott were illegal and they ought to be demolished, and accordingly had directed the GCZMA to give the parties hearing and find out which part of the structures were in violation of the CRZ regulations. Now, the authority decided that there were basically three structures. One was part of the swimming pool, part of a hut, and part of a retaining wall, which actually had offended the CRZ regulations. But when the High Court passed those directions, the High Court also was wary of the fact that removal of retaining wall may amount to an environmental damage by itself. So had put a rider saying that when the authorities try to remove these illegal structures, care should be taken that erosion of soil and siltation of the river does not take place. Now, accordingly, the GCZMA authorities sought an expert advice from the Jal Shakti to find out if the retaining wall or part of the retaining wall which offends the CRZ regulations is removed, whether it will amount to or whether it's going to cause erosion. Now, an exhaustive report was prepared by the Jal Shakti, and they felt that if this particular retaining wall is removed the way the Goa Foundation wants it to be removed, then that is bound to lead to environmental disaster. It is going to spoil the entire beach stretch of near Marriott Hotel as also across the river. So they decided that they will not remove that part of the retaining wall which was offending. And it was, according to them, and rightly so, in tune of the High Court judgment, which said that when you take any of these actions, you should see through it that soil erosion does not take place. Now, Goa Foundation took this very personal, it appears, and they moved the Honorable High Court in a contempt, saying that non-removal of the retaining wall is in violation of the directions given by the Honorable High Court. The High Court heard the matter today and felt that this was gross abuse of the process of the court by Goa Foundation, dismissed the contempt petition and has imposed fine of 50,000 rupees. Now this by itself blows to smithereens the myth that was created around Goa Foundation that they are only for the environment.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.